Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chapter number 14, Consumer Buying Behavior. Model of consumer behavior. Consumers make many buying decisions every day. Most large companies research consumers' buying decisions in great detail to answer questions about what consumers buy, where they buy, how much they buy. Model of consumer behavior. Marketing stimuli consist of the four pieces: product, price, place, and promotion. Other stimuli include major forces and events. Factors influencing consumer behavior. Markets have to be understood before marketing strategies can be developed. People using consumer markets buy goods and services for personal consumption. Consumers vary tremendously in age, income, education, taste, and other factors. We can say the following factors can influence culture: social, personal, psychological. Cultural factor is a set of a broadcast and device influence customers' behavior. The marketer needs to understand the role and played by it. Culture is the most basic cause of a person's wants and behavior. Human behavior is a largely learned. Growing up in a society, our children learn basic values, perceptions, wants, and behaviors from the family. Subculture. Each culture contains smaller subculture or group of people with shared value or system based on common life experiences and situations. Subcultures includes nationalities, religions, ecological groups. Social classes. Almost every society has some of social classes structure. Social classes are societies relatively permanent and ordered divisions whose members share similar values, interests, and behavior. Social classes are determined by a single factors such as income. Social factors. A consumer's behavior is also influenced by social factors such as a consumer small groups. Many small groups influence a person's behavior. Groups that have a direct influence and to which a person belongs are called membership groups. In contrast, reference groups serves as a direct or indirect points to comparisons or reference in forming person's attitudes or behavior. Reference groups to which they do not belong often influence people. Family members can strongly influence buyer behavior. The family is the most important consumer buying organization in society, and it has been researched extensively. Marketers are interested in the roles and influence of the husband, wife, and children in purchase of different products and services. For example, it adds to the doors backseat consumer in Spotter Illustrated for Kids, which attracts mostly 18 to 5 years old. We are kidding ourselves when think kids are not awards of brand, says Watchers brand's manager, adding that even she was surprised at how often parents told her that kids played a breaking role in deciding which car to buy. For example, roles and status. A person belongs to many groups, family, clubs, organizations. The person's position in each group can be defined in terms both a role and status. A role consists of the activities people are expressed.